Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn how to create our Facebook ads account. So to create Facebook ads account, you first have to make sure that you have enabled two-factor authentication on your profile. To do that, you have to click on your profile icon, then you can find settings and privacy here. Click on this, then click on settings, then you will come on this particular page. Here you can find Meta Account Center. You have to click on this, see more account center, see more in account center. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will come in account center, Meta Account Center. Here you can find your profile, okay, and here you can find other options as well. So for us to set up two-factor authentication, we need to click on password and security. So in password and security, you will find two-factor authentication option here, the second option. Just click on this, select your profile, and here you will find few options where you can set up two-factor authentication. The first option is using authentication app, or second option is using SMS or WhatsApp, and third is security keys. So in our case, we'll gonna use authentication app. Okay. To use that, you have to install an application, Google Authenticator, on your mobile from Play Store. So first install that application, and then you have to click on continue. When you click on continue, you can find a QR code and a key. So using that, you can set up two-factor authentication in Google Authenticator app. Now open your Google Authenticator app and scan this QR code. You can find a plus icon there, where if you click on that plus icon, you can find two options: scan a QR code and enter a setup key. So if you want to scan a QR code, click on the first option, or if you want to enter by using a setup key, you can click on the second option. In first option, you will scan a QR code. In second option, you have to write down these key in your Google Authenticator app. So in my case, I'm scanning this QR code. Once you scan a QR code, you will see a new account is now reflecting in your Google Authenticator app, and the initials are starting from Facebook. You have to click on next, and then you have to enter those numbers which are reflecting in your Google Authenticator app. So it's 227897. Click on next. And here you can see two-factor authentication is on in my Facebook ID. So click on done. So this is how you can set up two-factor authentication. After that, we will go to facebook.com again. And here you have to click on see more option. When you click see more option, you will find this ads manager option. Click on ads manager. Okay, so now we are seeing these options to help Meta integrity, Meta advertising. Please review and accept the non-discrimination policy. So just click on I accept. Okay, click on done. Now, so here you can find a profile which is already created, which came with your Facebook profile. You can call it a personal ad account. But if you want to set up an ad account for your business, you have to create a business portfolio. So in our case, we are creating a business portfolio for our business. Or if you are working as an freelancer or an agency, you always should create an business portfolio with your business name. So in our case, we will click on create a business portfolio. Here you can find it is asking for you to fill some details related to your business. So if I am running ads for my own business, like if I am a businessman who is running e-commerce or anything, any business like a food delivery business or restaurant business or whatever it is. So you just have to enter your own business name. So in my case, I am giving it a Facebook sorry, forever ads. Okay, here you have to fill full name and business email address to become a business admin. So here you will have to click Praveen Kumar and my surname and my business email. It can be Gmail or it can be, you know, your domain email, no matter. So foreveradsyt. So click on create. So now we can see our business portfolio is created, and it is asking us to, you know, connect our Facebook page. So we have to click on this icon and click on next. Here it is asking, like, you know, few other option. If you want to add some other people, so you have to give their email IDs, you know, so that they can also manage this business portfolio. So right now I know you are totally confused, like what is business portfolio and like how to add other people, why we are adding those people. But you know, in, you know, upcoming videos you will get to know like how things work in business portfolio. So for now we are not, you know, making it more complicated. Let's click on next. Okay, so now it is asking us to finally review and confirm our business portfolio details. So you can see business portfolio name and our Facebook page name, and this is my email ID and name. So I'm just clicking on confirm. Okay, so now you can find we have a business portfolio here, and here there is other option is also there, which is my profile, and here it is like my personal ad account. But we will not gonna use this personal ad account. We will create our ad account in our business portfolio. Don't get confused. I am going to, you know, show you how you can do that. So first of all, click on this business setting. When you click on business setting, you can, you know, you will see this setup, this user interface. Here you can find options like people, partners, system users, pages, ad account, business setup, apps, Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts. So basically a portfolio is where we can, you know, connect all our business assets at a single place, at one place. Like if you click on pages, you can find our page here. If you are creating more pages for your other businesses, you can do it like by clicking here. See, you can add an existing page, you can request access to a page, you can create a fresh new page from this option. Okay, so in our case what we are doing, we are creating an ad account. So you click on add account here, click on add and create a new account. You can also, you know, ask for, you know, other ad account access as well. You can also add your existing ad accounts here, but in our case what we are doing, we are creating a new ad account. So click on add account, name it, okay, whatever, it's just for you. So name it, like in my case I'm giving it forever ads. Time zone, select your own time zone. In my case it is India, so it's GMT 5:30, Asia, Kolkata. Okay, and currency, most important option. You will never ever gonna change this option in, you know, if you are selecting US dollar right now and you want to change it to INR or, you know, euro or any other currency later, you cannot do that. You have to select the right currency at this time only. Okay, so just select INR, or you can select whatever your currency is. In my case it is Indian rupee. Click on next. Okay, so here you have to tell that this ad account is used for your own business or any other business or client. In my case it is my own business, so click on next, and here you can find confirmation. So click on this and create an ad account. See, so now our ad account is created. Now we have to add payment info. Okay, so right now I am not adding payment info. Just click on done, and boom, your ad account is created, guys. What you need to do, go to facebook.com/ads manager. Always use this URL to go to ads manager directly. Okay, here you can find ads manager, Facebook ads manager. But again, see, this is a personal ad account. We need to run ads through our business portfolio ad account. Okay, so now you have to click on your profile here and go to business portfolio and select your ad account. See, now you are interacting as Forever Ads. Okay, so I hope this video helps you a lot to create your own Facebook ad account, and with a right approach, because you can't do much things on your personal ad account. So always try to always create an ad account using your business portfolio. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any question in your mind, comment down below, and also suggest what type of videos I should create, and whatever your doubts is, like, just comment it down and I'll create a video on that topic. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.